Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we want to find the value of x given that x raised to power 6 minus 7x cubed equals 8. Now let's see solution. So we have x raised to power 6 minus 7x raised to power 3 equals 8. So from here, from x raised to power 6, we believe that x raised to power 6 can be written as x raised to power 3 all in brackets raised to power 2. Now let's substitute this here. We have x cubed all in brackets raised to power 2 minus 7s cubed equals, by taking this, equals 8. So now by taking this 8 to the other side and let everything equal 0, so we're going to have, now let y equals s cubed. So by letting y equals s cubed, we have y raised to power 2 minus 7y equals 8. So we have y squared minus 7y minus 8 equals 0. Now this is a quadratic equation and let's solve it quadratically. So from here, we have it to be y squared minus 7y can be expressed as minus 8y plus y minus 8 equals 0. Now let's factorize. We have y squared minus 8y. Let's take them together. Plus y minus 8 equals 0. So now from y squared minus 8y, y is common. Let's factorize it out. We have y into bracket of y minus 8 plus y minus 8. When you open the bracket back, we have y multiplied by y to be y squared, y multiplied by minus 8, it will be minus 8y. Then we have minus 8y to be equals 0. So from here, we have y minus 8, y minus 8 is common. Factorize it out, y minus 8, then y plus 1. Everything equals 0. So now we have y minus 8 equals 0 or y plus 1 equals 0. One of these must be equal 0. Is either y minus 8 equals 0 or y plus 1 equals 0. So from here, y minus 8 equals 0, it implies y equals 8. As well, we have y plus 1 equals 0. Then this implies y equals minus 1. Now to obtain the value of x, the respective value of x, now let's recall that we let y equals s cubed. So, but then y equals s cubed. Now When y equals 8, we have x cubed to be equals 8. Now from here, 8 can be simplified to be equals 2 raised to power 3. We have it to be x cubed minus 8 to be equals 0. And 8 equals 2 raised to power 3. That's according to law of indices. Now we can have it here back, x cubed minus 2 raised to power 3. And from here, we let everything equal 0. We can solve this quadratically. Now recall that when you have a cube minus b cube, this equals a minus b into bracket of a square plus ab plus b square. Now, by comparing it with what we have here, x cubed minus 2 raised to power 3 equals 0, we have our a to be equals x and our b to be equals 2. So now from here, we can now compare it to be x cubed minus 2 raised to power 3 to be equals x minus 2. And our a equals x, we have it to be x squared. We have ab, our a is x, and our b equals 2. We have it to be 2x. Now our b is 2 and 2 going to be 2 squared, which is equals 4. So from here we have everything to be equal 0. We have x minus 2 and in bracket we have x squared multiplied by x squared plus 2x plus 4. Everything equals 0. Now is either x minus 2 equals 0 or x squared plus 2x plus 4 equals 0. Now from here, from the first one, we have x minus 2 equals 0, which means x equals 2. And likewise, we have x squared plus 2x plus 4 to be equal 0. So by solving this quadratically, using the general expression x equals minus b, positive or negative, square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Our a equals x, our a equals 1, the coefficient of x squared. Then our b equals 2. Then our c equals 4, the constant. Now substitute all these in general expression. We have x to be equals minus 2 positive or negative square root of 4 minus 4 into bracket of 1 into bracket of c 4 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. So will now be 4 minus 16 divided by 2. Then x will now be minus 2. Positive or negative, square root of 4 minus 16 will now be minus 12. Divided by 2. So from here, this equals minus 2 positive or negative, square root of 12 multiplied by square root of minus 1 divided by 2. And square root of minus 1 equals I in complex number. So therefore, our x will be equals positive or negative square root of 12I divided by 2. And this is complex number, assuming we are looking for the real solution. So we can reject this value of x equals minus 2 positive or negative 12 square root of 12I divided by 2. We reject it because we need a real solution. Again, at y equals 8, we find the value of x. Also, we want to find at y equals minus 1, what will be the value of x. Then we have y to be equals minus 1. And note that y has been given to be equals x cube. So we have x cube to be equals minus 1. By taking 1 to the other side and let everything equal 0, we have x cube plus 1 to be equals 0. 1 raised to power 3 equals 1. So therefore, x cube plus 1 cube equals 0. 1 cube equals 1. And everything equals 0. Now let's solve this quadratically. So we have a cube plus b cube to be equals a plus b, all in brackets, multiplied by a square minus ab plus b square. Now from here we have our a to be equals, we have 1 x cube plus 1 cube will be equals x plus 1. Then we have x squared minus x plus 1 equals 0. Solving this one quadratically, we can have is either x plus 1 equals 0 or x squared minus x plus 1 equals 0. So now let's solve this first. Have x plus 1 equals 0, then x equals minus 1. Again, recall from the second quadratic, x squared minus x plus 1 that equals 0. Using the general expression x equals minus b, positive or negative, square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now, from here, let's test for d that equals b squared minus 4ac. And we substitute this to be equals our b equals minus 1. Then minus 1 squared will be equals 1. Minus 4 into bracket of 1 into bracket of 1. So by doing so, we have here to be equals 1 minus 4. So 1 minus 4 will be equals minus 3. Minus 3 less than 0. Since minus 3 less than 0, then no real solution. So we're going to have a complex solution, and complex solution is rejected. So therefore, we need a real solution, that is at x equals 2 and x equals minus 1. So that's the real solution, at x equals minus 1 and x equals 2. That is our real solution. Now, to check x1 equals 2. Now x2 equals minus 1. Now we are new here, watch this video. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.